What's good, everybody? It's your boy Dre. Nona, honk. Let's get it. Let's go. Oh, we honking for real?
Look at me.
I am.
In the rearview mirror. Put him up. Toasted. Buckle up out of here. If we in the back,
hey.
Yes, we turn it up.
Turn it up. Turn it up.
In the taxi, never pass me. Ready, set, go.
Ooh. Hey. Where'd that honk come from? Oh. Beep. Wait, get on the what? It's like a... Yes, ma'am. Oh. Hey. Get it. Ooh. Ooh. What am I am? Ooh, the vocals, the runs. Oh, serving. Oh, 10 out of 10. Hey. Get on. Hey. Wait, hold up. You can't just be flipping and turning. Oh, this is such a fun MV. Hey, shout out to Indonesia though. Shout out to Nona. Ooh, what a party song, bro. Hey. They all serving, bro. They be serving all the time. Nona never misses, y'all. Nona never misses. All right, y'all. Put the comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe to your boy. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dreamers, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it. It might just come true. Ooh. Be sure to check out the Patreon, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join the Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREKML. I'm there every day.